The rhythm of nature. The beach was nearly empty that evening, the waves rolling in with a soothing regularity. I walked along the shore, my thoughts swirling with worries about work and life. I stopped and sat on a smooth rock, staring out at the ocean. I closed my eyes, letting the sound of the waves wash over me. I noticed how the waves seemed to breathe, rushing in with a powerful exhale, then retreating gently like an inhale. I began matching my breaths to the rhythm of the tide. Inhale with the incoming wave, exhale with its retreat. Slowly, my mind quieted and my body relaxed. By the time the sky turned a soft orange, I felt as though the ocean had shared its calm with me.